Introducing Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, the premier solution for all your waste management needs in the vibrant city of Cincinnati, Ohio. We understand the importance of a clean and efficient environment. We specialize in top-notch dumpster rental services that cater to a wide range of needs. With our dedication to eco-friendly practices and unmatched customer service, you can count on us for a seamless waste disposal experience. Our commitment to excellence shines through in every aspect of our operation. When you choose Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati for your dumpster rental, you opt for reliability, punctuality, and professionalism. Our team is well equipped to provide the perfect sized dumpster for your project, ensuring your waste removal process is smooth and hassle-free. You can trust us to manage your waste while adhering to the highest environmental standards. For all your dumpster rental in Cincinnati, Ohio needs, Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati is the name you can confidently rely on. Contact us at 513-586-8313 or visit our website at www.dumpsterdaddycincy.com to learn more about our services and request a quote. We look forward to assisting you in maintaining a cleaner, greener, and more organized Cincinnati.